Hello, crocheters! Ready to make something adorable? In this tutorial, we're creating a sweet and sturdy baby boot from start to finish. I'll walk you through each step so your stitches come out neat and even. 3.5 millimeter hook. Let's start by chaining 17. Okay, I've got my 17 chains here. Now, skip the first 3 chains from the hook. And now, we're going to make 2 double crochets into the 4th chain. Let's do the first double crochet. Yarn over. Insert your hook into the 4th chain. Yarn over again and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over. Pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again. Pull through the last 2 loops. That's your first double crochet done. We need 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over. Insert the hook back into the same chain. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's your second double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in each of the next 12 chains across. One, 2, 3, 4, keep going until you have 12. You should have just 1 chain left at the end. In that last chain, we'll do 7 double crochets all in the same stitch. Ready? One, 2, make sure you keep the yarn tail along your work so it gets hidden as you crochet. This way, you won't need to weave in the ends later. Three, 4th, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Now we'll go back down the other side of the chain and make 1 double crochet in each of the next 12 stitches again. We finished our first double crochet. Now our second, now our third. Keep going until you've done all 12. Finally, in the very last stitch, the one where we made our first 2 double crochets, we're going to do 3 double crochets. And we're done with this round. Join with a slip stitch into the top of your beginning chain 3. Chain 3 to start. This counts as your first double crochet. Make one more double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to increase at the heel. Make 2 double crochets in each of the next 2 stitches. This widens the heel nicely. For the first increase, do 1 double crochet, then another double crochet in the same stitch. Finished our first double crochet increase. For the second increase, do 1 double crochet, then another double crochet in the same stitch. Finished the second set of double crochet increases. Work 1 double crochet in each of the next 12 stitches. At the toe, make increases again. 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. Work 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1 double crochet, then another double crochet in the same stitch. That's your first increase set finished. In the next stitch, make 2 double crochets again in the same stitch. That's your second increase set finished. For the third stitch, repeat the increase. Make 2 double crochets into the same stitch. That's your third increase set finished. Make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Then do 3 increases by working 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches. After that, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 12 stitches. Then again, work 2 double crochets in each of the next 3 stitches for your increases. Join with a slip stitch to the top of the beginning chain 3. This is how your work will look after round 2. Chain 1 to begin. This counts as your first single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in the same stitch. For single crochet, insert hook into stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Then do a single crochet increase. For a single crochet increase, do 2 single crochets at the same stitch. 1, 2, then in the next stitch, do only 1 single crochet. Do this 2 more times. Single crochet increase. Single crochet, single crochet increase. Single crochet. One single crochet in next 3 stitches. Next, we need to do half double crochets in next 4 stitches. To do a half double crochet, yarn over, insert hook into stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we're doing our second half double crochet. And here goes the third. And the fourth one too. Then do double crochets in the next 4 stitches. Okay, I've got my first double crochet done, sliding right into the second double crochet. Here comes the third one. And now we're finishing up with the last double crochet. All right, now I'm going to do my double crochet increase. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Done. Next stitch, just 1 double crochet. Okay, back to a double crochet increase, 2 in the same stitch. And again 1 double crochet in the next. We'll just keep repeating this little pattern. Increase, then 1 double crochet, until we've done it a total of 7 times. We've already finished it twice, so now we just need to repeat the pattern 5 more times. I've finished that part. Now I'm making 1 double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1 double crochet in this stitch, another double crochet in the next stitch. Now I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Half double crochet in this stitch, another half double crochet in the next, and I'll keep going like that for 4 stitches. After that, I'll switch to single crochets. 1 single crochet in each of the next 4 stitches. Now it's time for our increases. In the next stitch, I'm making 2 single crochets in the same stitch. That's our single crochet increase. In the following stitch, I'm making just 1 single crochet. We'll keep repeating this little pattern. 2 single crochets in 1 stitch, then 1 single crochet in the next. 2 more times, so we've done it 3 times in total. That brings us to the end of the round. I'll join to the beginning with a slip stitch into the first chain 1 to secure. At this point, you should have about 62 stitches all around. This forms the sole of the boot after 3 rounds. For the next round, we'll start shaping the sides. Chain 3 to begin. This will count as your first double crochet. From here on, we're going to work only into the back loops of the stitches. Look for the back loop of each stitch, the loop farthest from you, and make 1 double crochet into each back loop all the way around. This creates a nice ridge that helps the sole turn up into the sides of the boot. Chain 3 to begin. This counts as your first front post double crochet. We are going to work front post double crochets and back post double crochets alternately all the way around. Since we already did a front post double crochet with our chain 3, the next stitch will be a back post double crochet. To do a back post double crochet, yarn over. Insert your hook from the back of the work to the front around the post of the stitch. Then do the normal double crochet. That is, yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Back post double crochet finished. Now the next stitch is a front post double crochet. To do a front post double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook from the front of the work to the back around the post of the stitch. Then do the normal double crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Front post double crochet finished. Next stitch, back post double crochet again. Yarn over, insert hook from back to front around the post, then do the normal double crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through the first 2. Yarn over and pull through the last 2. Next stitch, front post double crochet again. Yarn over, insert hook from front to back around the post. Then do the normal double crochet. Yarn over and pull up a loop. 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Next stitch, back post double crochet again. Same way as before. Keep working all the way around in this pattern. Front post double crochet, back post double crochet, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, until you reach the end of the round. That's all for part 1. In the next video, we'll continue with the next steps of our baby boot. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. And if you have any doubts, just leave a comment below. I'm happy to help.